Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Niyamat Nadir for Gemini Properties and today we are at one of the most centrally located societies in Koregaon Park, that is Konark Residency. So let's start the tour. This building has one elevator and also security cameras over here. Right opposite the elevator is the stairs. Let's go up. We are now at the lobby of the apartment. We are now at the entrance of the apartment. You can see this apartment is made in a very beautiful way and it is a fully furnished apartment. You can see these walls over here, they are beautiful. And as we enter, to my left hand side is the first bedroom. It is very rare to find such spacious apartments in Koregaon Park, but look at this. This room has windows with a mosquito net that you can remove. And you look right into the garden of the society. There's a study table, so this room can be used by your kids. They can put their books up here. Some important files over here. Has a drawer. This room also has a bed, a double door cupboard that also has drawers, and a bathroom attached. The bathroom has an exhaust fan. As soon as you get out of the bathroom, there's this cupboard for your shoes, so you can use it as your shoe rack. And also an AC in the room. This room also has a false ceiling that has a fan and lights attached to it. So as soon as you get out of this room, right above the main door is this space over here that has your inverter in it. And from the entrance to my right hand side is where the kitchen is. It is a modular kitchen that has drawers, cabinets, a window right above your gas with an exhaust fan for all the hot flames to go out from here. More storage space. Not just this, but even here. So if you have extra rice or atta, you can put it up all over there. A sink, a connection for your water purifier. And also this is an open kitchen. So it has this whole wall that is broken down and you can just serve your food right from here. You can have your dining table over there so you can serve fresh and warm food to your family. And this is where the dining room and the living room is. The living room has a huge window with a mosquito net attached to it. It is attached with a velcro, and you can see the garden right down there. It's very green. The living room has beautiful lights, curtains, these sofas. You can also have your TV placed right here. You have a connection made here. The living room also has an AC, false ceiling, fan, and like I mentioned, really beautiful lights in the apartment. The dining room has these blinds, and like I mentioned, from the kitchen, I will be saying that again. From here, this can be your dining room, and from here you can take the food and eat very warm and fresh food directly from the kitchen. The dining room also has a huge window. So there are two windows right in front of each other, and there is going to be cross ventilation all the time in the apartment. And because there are two windows right across each other, it's going to be beautiful and always bright in the house. Connecting to the dining room is where the master bedroom is. Master bedroom has wooden flooring. Cabinets for storage. Provision made for your television, AC, a dressing table with huge drawers for storage, and right next to the dressing table is a full length mirror where you can come see yourself once you are ready, and then you can go out. A two-door wardrobe, very spacious with drawers. You can also use this rod to hang in your clothes. A bed, false ceiling with lights and fan. And again a window right next to your bed for fresh air if you ever need it. This room also has a bathroom attached to it. So the society that we are in today is Konark Residency. It is situated in the heart of Koregaon Park. It is at the main road, and the apartment that we are in today, it is a 2 BHK fully furnished apartment, 940 square feet carpet area, and the price that the owners are expecting is 1 crore 35 lakhs only. It comes with one covered car park. This apartment is a fully furnished apartment, has lights, fans, ACs in both the rooms and the living room. It is a completely done up kitchen and has inverter backup in the apartment. Also, the master bedroom has wooden flooring in it and has beautiful wallpapers throughout the apartment. Speaking a little about the location, as I mentioned, we are in Koregaon Park. Konark Residency is bang opposite Lane 6. We have a lot of stores right outside the society, that is the Blush, Envy, a lot of shopping around you. Also, the Osho Ashram is very close by. Speaking about the connectivity of the location, we have Kalyani Nagar. Just taking the left from the bridge, we are at Kalyani Nagar, and from the underpass we reach Viman Nagar directly. So that's like around 10 minutes maximum and you will be at the airport. That is to my left. To my right is going to be the boat club, the Dhole Patil, the camp that has the railway station there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, that is Nadin Nilgiriwala. And please contact the number given below, that is Rosina Nilgiriwalas, for more details of this beautiful property and for more deals that she has. Thank you so much.